So, just in the last few days, I came across multiple posts on Instagram of these DJs basically complaining about how DJing isn't about music anymore. And yeah, this is a very fair point. It's really not as much about the music anymore, about DJing anymore, as it used to be. And there are a lot of good reasons about why this is so. And that is really something that I want to go into today with this video. But I also feel that these DJs are just not really getting it. They're moaning about how they're not as successful, how they're not making it big in the industry because, and that is the point that they're trying to make, that DJing isn't about the music anymore. And that is just a very big oversimplification. To me, it feels like these people are just complaining about not being successful while they only focus on the music. And yeah, it's just basically very simple economics why this is just not working anymore and why this is never going to make you actually a world touring DJ. Well, it's never going to make you successful as a DJ, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So what's up, guys? My name is Mats. I've been a DJ for about the past 11 years now. I haven't made it big or anything. I was just a local DJ playing a lot of local gigs, and for the past couple of years I've been not playing as much as I used to, mostly because of some family stuff that was happening, some live events, and and I'm really trying to get back into the game, see if I can actually make it big and become this world famous DJ. And so I'm really trying to just get down to the good stuff, know and analyze what is happening within the space, see what's happening to just help me become a DJ as well. And okay, some of these people are just looking at me filming. I think they find it interesting, but yeah, no, that's what I'm trying to do, to just see what it actually takes to become famous, and do that, and then show it to you, talk about it with you guys, and to give you some of the insights that I'm gaining myself. So let's get down to it. Hello. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so why do I feel that these people are just complaining, just moaning about the fact that they're not making it? Well, if I'm looking at the music industry itself, and I've talked a lot about this before, then there's just a big oversupply of DJs. It's really not that difficult. Kan je alsjeblieft niet, ik ben even aan het filmen. There's just really this big oversupply of DJs, and it's really not that difficult to go DJ. The basics are actually quite simple. And that just creates an effect where just DJing isn't enough anymore. And same thing for music production. There's just such a big oversupply of new tracks coming out that just making really good music is not enough anymore. Like, either you're gonna make these songs that are just going to blow up and everyone is listening to that, and that just gets your career right on track, or you're making music, you're producing music, and you're not getting any real big traction from it because it's just going on the pile of music that is coming out every day. And that is very unfortunate. I completely understand that. It feels to a lot of DJs, and that is something that I've seen and felt for myself as well, that just being a really good DJ, just like loving the art form of it, just loving to play, is just not good enough anymore. If you're a DJ that is playing some gigs local here and there, that is making some tracks here and there, then that's just not enough to make it. And complaining about this is just about, to me it feels like it's just the same as people complaining in the Industrial Revolution, you know, or the Agrarian Revolution, you know, when they're doing their old thing, you know, and then suddenly there's these factories that are popping up and they're out competing you because you're not cost effective enough. And yeah, so like the whole industry has just changed. It's become a lot more competitive. And the reason for that is because of this oversupply on DJs. Because of the simple laws of supply and demand. It creates this effect where DJing itself or music itself is just not good enough anymore. And that means you're gonna really have to get good at branding. You're gonna really have to good at making fans. You're gonna really have to find some different ways to blow up. And I can really understand the frustration that these DJs are feeling. But like I said, to me it just feels like you're moaning about the fact that you're not successful. And yeah, it's just, get real, man. You know, like if you actually want to make it, there are strategies. There are things that you can do. And it's very competitive. You're gonna have to be posting on YouTube. You're gonna have to be posting on Instagram. You're gonna have to be creating all this content. You're gonna have to get your branding right. You're gonna have to do the networking. You're gonna have to do a shit ton if you really want to make it. But complaining about how the music is not good enough, complaining about how DJing isn't about music anymore, it feels to me like it's just missing the point. And I might just get a lot of criticism for saying this, but it's never been just about the music. DJing was always about performing, about creating a community, about actually doing something cool enough that people want to follow you. And yeah, of course music has always been a big part of that, but yeah, it's just like you can't keep playing by the same rules that worked 10 years ago and still expecting that to work today. That's just not how the world works. And yeah, if you really want to blow up as a DJ, if you really want to become an actual DJ, then you're gonna need to adjust. You're gonna need to do all these other things as well. And that's just the way it is. So yeah, I hope you get something from this. And yeah, if you're actually trying to do this yourself, then give me a follow, because I'm trying to figure it out by myself too. So I hope to give out some advice along the way. But yeah, I'll see you the next time. Cheers.